You won a judgment in Georgia. Georgia's collection rules are creditor-friendlier than most southern states, but the timelines and exemptions still trap a lot of out-of-state creditors. Here's what you need to know. I'm with peoplelocatorskiptracing.com, and we work Georgia judgment recovery cases constantly. Here's the playbook. Georgia judgments are valid for 7 years from entry, but you can renew them by filing a writ of fieri facias, called a FIFA in Georgia practice. Within that 7-year window, the FIFA creates the lien that lets you actually collect, and it stays valid for 10 years from entry of the original judgment, renewable. Wage garnishment in Georgia follows federal limits: 25% of disposable earnings or the amount above 30 times the federal minimum wage, whichever is less. Garnishment is filed in the county where the employer does business, not necessarily where the debtor lives. Bank account garnishment is also available. You file a continuing garnishment that catches deposits over time, not just the snapshot at the moment of service. Continuing garnishment is a major Georgia advantage compared to states with one-time only levies. The homestead exemption is modest by national standards: $21,500 for a single debtor, $43,000 for a married couple. Home equity above those amounts is theoretically reachable, though forcing a sale is rare. Personal property exemptions include $5,000 in motor vehicles, $5,000 in household goods, and various tools of trade and retirement protections. Cash, brokerage accounts, and non-exempt savings are fair game. The post-judgment interrogatories process, Georgia's debtor disclosure mechanism, compels the debtor to answer written questions about assets under oath. Failure to respond is contempt. Locating the debtor's employer and bank accounts is the practical foundation. Georgia debtors increasingly use online banks and gig income, both of which require updated locating skills to garnish. For professional asset searches and judgment recovery support in Georgia, visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com. 20 years of helping creditors collect.